Meaning of Federal Reserve Bank.
Federal Reserve Bank.
Federal Reserve Bank.
Federal Reserve Bank.
Federal Reserve Bank. The Federal Reserve Bank is the central banking system of the United States, responsible for regulating the country's monetary policy and overseeing the stability of the financial system. It was established in 1913 with the goal of providing a stable and reliable financial system by controlling the supply of money and credit. The Federal Reserve Bank is composed of 12 regional banks, and its decisions impact interest rates, inflation, and employment. Its role is crucial to maintaining the economic health of the United States.